Hi, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if your Palworld multiplayer is not working. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So I'm going to show you various fixes on how you can possibly fix this error, and the first one is to make sure you and your friend have the same NAT type. So NAT is a feature that directs traffic from the internet to your local network, which means that if you have a strict or moderate NAT type, you will face issues while connecting with your friend to play Palworld multiplayer. So to change your NAT type, you can use port forwarding, a VPN, or enable the network discovery option via the network and internet settings. So this may help solve Palworld multiplayer not working. But after, if you have done all of these steps and then the process or the problem rather still persists, what you can do next is to check your internet connection. So sometimes even trivial issues can stop players from playing Palworld with friends. So ensure your internet is working and the network speed is good. So next, what you can do is to restart your game and try again. So restarting your game and trying to join a session repeatedly is working for many players when they are suffering from Palworld multiplayer not working. So even the devs Pocket Pair have requested players to keep trying to join their session while they work on the server issues. And then lastly, what you can do is to play the waiting game. So if the prior fixes are not working for you, recommend waiting for some time or playing it off hours when the load on the server is less. And moreover, just keep an eye on the game's official X or formerly Twitter account, as the devs are addressing and sharing updates on the different issues players are currently facing. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.